Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the weekend stocks video analysis. So we have four interesting stocks to look at in this weekend's analysis. The first one is Netflix. If we look at the monthly time frame first, we can see that price is in this nice overall uptrend. Price came up to this level here around $422. Then we saw this huge decline in price. So since then, price has found strength back to the upside. So January is showing a nice strong bullish candle. If this momentum continues, then we may see price attempt to break and close above the previous all-time high in the near future. Going to the weekly time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Again, we can see how price has been showing strength to the upside in the past few weeks. Looking at the daily time frame now, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. So now that price has returned back above the 200 simple moving average, the bias is back to the upside. So we're expecting to see a bullish trend, but we'll have to wait and see whether this area of support will hold. If price breaks back through the 200 simple moving average, then we may see a continuation of this bear move. Next stock we are looking at is Lululemon Athletica. If we look at the monthly time frame first, we can see that price is in this nice uptrend. Price found resistance around this level, then we saw a decline in price, and since then we've seen a nice strong bullish January. And if this momentum continues like the previous stock, we should see a break of this previous all-time high in the near future. Looking at the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving average. As we can see, this decline came down to the 50 simple moving average where it found support and has since moved back to the upside. Going down to the daily time frame now, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Again, here we can see that price used the 200 simple moving average as support before finding strength. So if this momentum continues and price breaks and closes above this high, this will confirm a continuation of this previous bull trend. Next stock up is Nike Inc. On the monthly time frame, price is in this nice overall uptrend. See how price started to decline around this point, went into this area of mini consolidation and has since found strength back to the upside. So again, if like the previous stocks, if this momentum continues and price breaks and closes above this previous all-time high, then we should see a nice continuation in this stock. Going to the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, using the 50 simple moving average as support along the way up. And last week we see a nice strong bullish candle. Going to the daily time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Here we can see this previous uptrend, this decline to the 200 simple moving average where price started to go sideways. So now that price has broken above this previous high, we may see a nice continuation of this upwards move. Last stock for the weekend analysis is World Wrestling Entertainment. Looking at the monthly time frame, price is in this nice overall uptrend. We saw price decline from this area of resistance, found support around the $70 round number and has since found strength back to the upside. Looking at the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, using the 50 simple moving average as support around this area here. Going down to the daily time frame, we see how price started to decline, came down to the 200 simple moving average, used it as an area of support here, and price is now above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. We see a nice strength back to the upside. So if price can find strength and break above this previous all-time high, then we'll have to wait and see whether price can actually break above the $100 major round number. If those two areas are clear, then we should see a nice continuation of this previous bull trend. Thank you for watching the weekend stocks analysis. Don't forget to press subscribe so you can catch all of our weekend analysis as soon as they are available.